Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm coming to you with another video reviewing this electric milk frother from this company called HadinEEon, and this is the box that it came in. As you can see, nothing too big, and in the box came a warranty card and of course a manual card, and I'm going to go through the parts of that milk frother with you guys. So we can start with the top. So this is a transparent lid. As you can see, once you cover it, you can definitely look through, see how your milk is frothing. This is such a funny word for me. And the lid have a silicone ring around it, and of course there's a maximum and minimum filled line. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not. Okay, you can see this line. If you are frothing, you want to stay in the maximum or even minimum, because once you froth your milk, you don't want it to overflow. And if you're just heating your milk, you can come all the way up to here to the maximum if you're just heating the milk. Okay, and they have the buttons. This is if you are frothing cold. If you want your froth milk to be cold, you want to use this button. If you want to heat and froth your milk, you want to use the heating, and this is just an indicator light which turns, I believe, red. And they have the, I want to make sure I'm calling them the right thing, and they have the heating base, which of course came with the plug. Okay, and they have a little sponge that you can use to clean, and this is what will be frothing your milk. So I have these little accessories which I already put this in. This is what froth your milk, and if you put this one only, this one will only heat your milk without frothing it. So since I am going to froth, I'm going to add this attachment, and we can start frothing some milk that I'm going to be using for some coffee. Okay, let's get started, guys. So to get started, I went ahead and added that accessory that's for frothing, and they did send 2 of them, so in case you lose one, there's an extra one that you can save. So I'm using whole milk. Again, I'm going to add it to that maximum of the frothing just so it does not overflow. Okay, and I'm going to put my lid on. You guys, you know, I always come with a coupon code for you guys. I will leave the company website and a 30% off, so you guys can get 30% off your purchase when you purchase one. And also, please go check me and them out on Instagram. Check me out on Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. I will leave all those links down in the description box for you guys to check out. So now, since I'm frothing and heating my milk, I'm gonna go ahead and press this. And as you can see, the indicator button is on, and I'm sure you can see a little action in there. So that's going to go on for a few minutes, I think a minute or minute and a half. And once it's done, I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. All right, my milk is all done frothing. It literally took like maybe a minute and a half. I went ahead and made some coffee. This is just Colombian instant coffee that I like to use. So I'm gonna pour in that milk. Okay, I can see I definitely had a little too much milk. It's okay, I'm going to save it and use it for my husband. I just want the froth to come out so you guys can see how foamy it is. I wish I knew how to do these nice pretty decorations they do when you go to a coffee shop, but this looks so nice and just foamy. Look very professional. Okay, so with the coupon code, you guys, make sure you take advantage of it. This is what I got, nice and pretty. And of course, there's a lot of specs that comes with it. You can read all the specs when you purchase yours. It's on the box and also in the instruction manual. Okay, Now I'm going to enjoy this, but thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. Don't forget to check them out. The link will be in the description box, and also that 30% off, you guys. This is a great gift to have for yourself or for your loved one or for the holidays, any holidays coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.